It's allowed to, but you have to be super to be not loud because loud cannot increase sometimes, but it's still loud, so no loud this time. Some of my friends is a YouTuber like USA 34, so one of them are famous. And you don't know who is famous about that. Some of them is on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, and I don't know, but it's a school. So today we're doing a video of being quiet. Yeah, do that. But that's my mom. So that's my mom. So we have quiet slide time.
Ano yung mati? Tubig ka dyan sa damit dito mo.
Okay. Now the screen over here, so let's go there. So I need to go back.
Kaya ka sa aming trabaho, pero yung ship. Ha? Huwag na. Bawal ka dito.
So we have to sleep.
Kasi ito yung mattress niya. Dalawa ka dito. Dito yung baby. Diba sa... Ito mattress natin, yung baby na sa ano yan. Parang sa uterus. Diba yung ovary? Yung ovary, tapos uterus. Sa loob mo, sa loob ng placenta. Yung polyps ni baby nandito. Parang ito yung placenta.
So what not this, but also like subscribe because no one is comments on my video.
Kaya pag lumalaki yung
Bye bye.